Hey there, car enthusiasts. Are you tired of dust accumulating on your beloved ride? Well, fret no more because today we've got something special for you. Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best microfiber dusters for cars. Let's dive right in. The LAKU Microfiber Car Duster proves to be a versatile and practical cleaning tool suitable for various surfaces. With its anti-scratch and lint-free microfiber bristles, this duster ensures safe and effective dust removal without causing damage to delicate surfaces. The strong adsorption force of the microfiber bristles facilitates easy dust removal, making it ideal for use on cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, as well as various surfaces around the home. A notable feature of this duster is its retractable handle, which extends from 26.4 inches to 31.5 inches, allowing for extended reach and easy access to hard-to-reach areas. Its multi-purpose design enables versatile use across different applications, from vehicles to windows and furniture. Additionally, the duster's washable and reusable nature promotes long-term use, while its eco-friendly approach avoids the use of harsh chemicals. However, users should be aware that while the LAKU Microfiber Car Duster excels in light dusting tasks, it may not be suitable for heavy dirt or debris. Potential buyers should also consider the lack of details regarding cleaning power and handle durability before making a purchase decision. Nonetheless, for routine dust removal on cars and around the house, this duster proves to be a practical and convenient choice, offering soft microfiber material, extendable handle, and reusability. The TACAV Vu Car Duster interior offers a convenient and effective solution for routine dust removal and car maintenance. With its microfiber fingers, this cleaning tool effortlessly captures dust, dirt, and pollen from your car's interior with a single swipe. Its soft and gentle microfiber cover ensures safe cleaning without scratching delicate surfaces, making it suitable for regular use. A notable feature of this car duster is its washable and reusable microfiber cover, allowing for easy maintenance and prolonged use. The 10-inch dusting head provides efficient cleaning coverage, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use during extended cleaning sessions. Additionally, its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and transport, enhancing its practicality. However, users should be aware that while the TACAV Vu Car Duster interior excels in routine dust removal tasks, it may not be suitable for heavy cleaning jobs or heavily dusted areas that require multiple swipes. For such needs, a different cleaning tool or additional cleaning steps might be necessary. Nonetheless, for regular maintenance and upkeep of car interiors, this duster proves to be a reliable and convenient option, offering ease of use, gentle cleaning, and portability. The Amis 2-pack mini microfiber car duster brush offers a convenient and cost-effective solution for maintaining a dust-free environment in your car and home. With its compact size and comfortable grip, this duster brush is easy to maneuver in tight spaces, ensuring thorough cleaning of both interior and exterior surfaces. The microfiber brush head effectively traps dust and pollen, providing gentle yet efficient cleaning without causing damage to surfaces. A notable advantage of this duster brush is its affordability, thanks to the inclusion of 2 dusters in the pack. Additionally, its handle hole allows for convenient hanging storage, optimizing space management. The removable and washable brush head ensures long-lasting use, providing a sustainable cleaning solution. However, users should be aware that while the Amis Mini Microfiber Car Duster brush excels in everyday dust removal tasks, it may not be suitable for heavy dust or debris, nor is it designed for deep cleaning. For such purposes, a larger cleaning tool may be necessary. Nonetheless, for regular maintenance and smaller cleaning tasks, this duster brush proves to be a handy and versatile tool, offering ease of use, affordability, and effective dust removal capabilities. The Oxog Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster proves to be a practical and efficient solution for everyday dust cleaning tasks. Its soft and fluffy microfiber head effectively attracts and traps dust without the need for chemicals, ensuring a safe and eco-friendly cleaning experience. The duster's large head covers a significant area with each swipe, facilitating efficient dusting, while its slim design enables access to tight spaces for thorough cleaning. A notable advantage of this hand duster is its washable microfiber head, which can be easily cleaned in the washing machine, ensuring convenient maintenance and prolonged use. The soft, non-slip grip provides comfort during prolonged cleaning sessions, enhancing user experience. Additionally, the availability of replacement heads adds to its longevity and usability. However, users should be aware that while the Oxog Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster excels in most household dusting tasks, it may not be as effective on all surfaces. For heavy-duty cleaning or textured surfaces, alternative cleaning tools may be necessary. Nonetheless, for everyday dust cleaning needs, this hand duster offers practicality, user-friendliness, and eco-friendliness, making it a valuable addition to any cleaning arsenal. The Timovo Microfiber Duster emerges as a versatile and practical cleaning tool, offering convenience and efficiency for light dusting tasks. Its two-piece set, featuring gray and blue microfiber heads, ensures flexibility and adaptability to various cleaning needs. The telescopic handle, extending from 10 to 30 inches, facilitates reaching high and low areas with ease, while the soft plastic handle provides a comfortable grip during use. A standout feature of this duster is its microfiber material, which effectively traps dust and is washable for easy maintenance. The anti-static and non-scratch design further enhances its usability, preventing dust redistribution and safeguarding surfaces from potential scratches. The inclusion of a stainless steel pole ensures durability, promising long-lasting performance. While the Timovo Microfiber Duster excels in light dusting tasks, it may not be suitable for heavy-duty cleaning endeavors. Users seeking a tool for textured surfaces or intensive cleaning may need to explore alternative options. Nonetheless, for everyday cleaning needs, this duster proves to be a convenient and user-friendly choice, offering versatility, comfort, and ease of maintenance. Our top 5 best microfiber dusters for cars. Whether it's your car's interior or exterior, these dusters have got you covered. Thanks for tuning in, and happy dusting!